So, alright, I'm at the Korean park, jungle forest walk. From here we can go to the jungle. I think I will walk a little bit more. Okay. Building, wow. Isn't it awesome? Wow, nice one. Must walk in this kind of jungle, you know. It is so amazing to walk with the nature. And look at this. What is this? I think I had to go from. there is a. Awesome place. I need to go from there, but I made a mistake. I came from here. Next time. I wanna do running like that. Shall I go? Can I go down? Oh, if I go down, where did I go? Let me see. I think I can go to that building. Like this. Whoa. You can't. Wow. The building is beautiful. May also beautiful. Everything is beautiful. And there is bird nest. Bird nest. Wow. I love the design of building. Amazing design. Amazing design. Like this building is falling down. What? Shall I click like this? Look. Wow. I love this place. Maybe I'll go next time here. It is so beautiful and amazing to see. Maybe in the next, what do you say? Next spring, I'll go to in this place. I like this place. And the frozen lake. Look, the frozen lake. I'm in the jungle side, and I feel happy when I'm in the jungle. Ooh, the jungle side. Let's run to the jungle. Wow, look at those trees. Yeah. It's better to walk in the jungle rather than the crowd place. Wow. I enjoy. A little bit tired. Oh, much more tired, not little bit. Oh. I feel good. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. I enjoy a lot. Wow.